Welcome to my channel.
Google Pixel 7 Pro advertisements leaked, new camera features revealed, all details. Google Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro features have been leaked in new advertisements for the phones shared by a tipster. The company first revealed its upcoming handsets back at Google I/O in May, and the hardware specifications of both smartphones have been tipped on multiple occasions. The leaked ads reveal both the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro will feature new camera-related software functionality, including the ability to record video while blurring subjects. Like Apple's cinematic mode that was introduced with the iPhone 13 series, tipster Snoopertech leaked two 30-second advertisements for the Google Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro via Twitter. The video for the Pixel 7 Pro reveals a new macro focus feature that is claimed to allow users to take close-up photos of objects. The advertisement also reveals familiar features found on the Pixel 6 Pro, such as Super Residential Zoom, Magic Eraser, Live Translate, and the Extreme Battery Saver. The video for the Pixel 7 reveals that the smartphone will not feature the new macro focus mode from the high-end model. Meanwhile, it will offer the other features mentioned above, which were also found on its predecessor, the Google Pixel 6. Both handsets will be equipped with a new cinematic blur feature for a dramatic blur effect while recording videos. While the feature was only revealed in the leaked Pixel 7 video, it can be expected to feature on the high-end model. The cinematic blur feature sounds similar to Apple's cinematic mode, which was introduced on the iPhone 13 series, and switches focus between people or objects in a video, like the effect used in popular TV shows and movies. There's no word on whether Google will bring the new camera features to last year's phones, such as the macro focus mode for the Pixel 6 Pro, or the cinematic blur feature for the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro, via the company's regular Pixel feature drops. The Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro are scheduled to be launched on October 6, alongside the Google Pixel Watch, which is set to make its debut as the company's first Pixel-branded wearable.